y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nye. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am showing you guys my straight to curly hair routine. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Now that that's done, let go. So y'all, it has been 2 months since I've straightened my hair, and after my hair has gotten a little bit of poofy and whatnot, I just been rocking my hair inside of a bun, as y'all saw earlier in the video. Not like that, but I just been putting my hair into a bun like that whenever I go to bed. But yeah, usually I just been rocking my hair in like a little ponytail or half up, half down type of style or whatnot. But anyways, what I'm doing here is I am putting my hair into sections, because y'all know I like working in sections. Before I hop into the shower to wash my hair, I'm going to give my hair a little bit of TLC. I like doing that just to, you know, add some moisture to my hair, especially after my hair has been straightened, because, you know, it starts to get a little dry. And yeah, I just want to give my hair some TLC. So now that my hair is parted into 4 sections and I did the back section off camera, I am doing a hot oil treatment. I haven't did a hot oil treatment in so long, and I thought this would be the perfect time to do it. So as you guys can see, I am parting my hair into smaller sections and applying that oil directly onto the scalp. The oil that I'm using is this concoction that I came up with, so I will definitely leave a list of oils that I put inside of my oil concoction, so you guys can screenshot it or whatnot and try it out if you guys would like to. But I feel like when I apply the oil directly onto the scalp, especially since my scalp is super dry, it's going to help break up that dandruff, and also it'll be easier for me to, you know, get all that dandruff and stuff off my scalp when it's time to wash my hair. So the benefits of a hot oil treatment is to reduce dryness for the scalp and hair. It helps with dandruff, like I said, and it also increases blood flow in the scalp, which helps with healthy hair. And who doesn't want healthy hair? So after I apply that oil directly onto the scalp, I'm just giving that section a nice massage so it can increase the blood flow even more and also loosen up that dandruff. This is a reminder to remove all your jewelry while doing your hair. Don't be like me, so you won't yank none of your hair out. So now that all of the oil is on my scalp and I gave myself a good, nice massage, I'm going to apply a plastic cap. You can use a plastic bag. They both work the same way. And I'm going to use my portable hooded dryer and attach my dryer to the end. And we're just going to let that sit on my head for 20 minutes so that oil can absorb into my scalp. After the 20 minutes and the oil is absorbed into my scalp, it is time to pre-poo. I did not rinse the oil out of my hair just as yet, so I still have the oil on my scalp. So I'm just going in with a spray bottle to wet my strands, and I'm just going to pre-poo with this Aussie Moist conditioner and finger detangle my hair so my curls can come back to life. While I work on that section, I'm working in smaller sections, and I'm going to use the water to make sure that that section is saturated in water, and I'm going to press the water into my hair. If I don't do that, the water is just going to sit on my strands. As y'all saw when I first sprayed it, the water was just going down my hair and it wasn't getting absorbed into my hair. So pressing water and the product into your hair really helps. And as y'all can see, my curls are coming back slowly but surely. I did not get heat damage. So if you guys would like to see my straight hair video, definitely check it out. I'll link it up above for you guys so you can check it out. So after I finish that section, I'm just going to twist it up, and I'll see you all in the shower. So now it's time to wash my hair, but first we are going to rinse that conditioner and oil out of my hair and out of my scalp. And I'm going to make sure I use my fingertips to definitely get all that loose dandruff and oil out of my scalp. And I'm using warm water. I don't know why it looks like it's super hot because of that steam, but trust me, it's not. So the shampoo that I'm using is the Mielle Organics Avocado Oil. I hope I pronounced that correctly. But it's the exfoliating shampoo, and it claims to clarify and deep cleanse and remove product buildup, which I definitely needed after having my hair straightened for 2 months, and the products I used to style my hair while it was in the straight hair stage. So as you guys can see, I am mainly focusing on my scalp because this is a clarifying shampoo, and I'm just using my fingertips to scrub my scalp to get all that dirt, dandruff build up. And I'm just going to do that for a full minute just to ensure that my scalp is nice and clean. So if you guys seen any of my other wash day videos, you know that I am a double cleanse type of gal. So the second shampoo I am using is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Intensive Hydration Shampoo, and it claims to hydrate and replenish dry and damaged hair. My hair is not damaged, but you know, preventive measurements. But I absolutely love this shampoo. It's very hydrating, and it also leaves my hair nice and shiny. For the hydrating shampoo, I like to focus on my scalp and also bring the shampoo down the shaft of my hair as well to make sure that my hair is nice and hydrated. We just take a moment to appreciate these curls and this shine, honey. Yes. After washing, it's time to deep condition, and the deep conditioner I am using is the Shea Moisture Superfruit Complex 10-in-1 Renewal System Hair Mask. I zoomed in to show you guys how to separate your hair whenever you come across a knot. So as you guys can see, there's a knot there. So I'm just pulling the strands out from that knot, and it came out super easy, and I did not take out none of my hair. So I'm just applying that deep conditioner on a smaller section. I am slapping it on like it's a perm, meaning that I am applying it on the roots and I'm working my way down to the ends. And I'm also focusing on my ends because, you know, your ends are the oldest part of your hair, and you want to make sure that you are taking care of it and giving it some TLC. I finger detangled my hair, and then I just twist it up, and then I'm going to work on the next section until I am done. Hair mask smells absolutely amazing. It has 10 renewal system all in one conditioner, which is age-defy, color protect, hydrate, nourish, soften, anti-stress, deep condition, revive body, strengthen, and shine. and I can most definitely say that it is very hydrating. It does soften your hair. It's a good deep conditioner. It's good for strengthening your hair, and it does add a nice shine to your hair as well. I don't have color treated hair, so I don't know about that part. I also don't know about the age defy and anti-stress, but this is a really good deep conditioner to use after straightening your hair. And look at the slip. It's just so amazing. My fingers are just gliding through like butter. So I am just scraping out whatever's left inside of that container because no deep conditioner left behind. Okay. So whatever was left, I'm just applying that on my edges in my kitchen because you know those areas need to be strengthened and hydrated too. Period. But anyways, after I applied that deep conditioner, I applied my deep conditioning cap, well, my plastic cap, and then I ended up taking a shower and eating. So I really don't know how long I left that deep conditioner on my hair, maybe like 45 minutes to an hour before rinsing it out. But yeah, guys, that's how I revert my hair from straight to curly. All right, y'all, so y'all know that my wash day is not completed unless I do my Felicia braids overnight. So I did my Felicia braids. I didn't record myself doing that because like it's pretty easy. And I showed it inside my last wash day video, so I'll be sure to link that video up above either here or here. So yeah, so what I use to moisturize my hair to put my Felicia braids in is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner, and also I use the As I Am double butter cream. There we go. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw my bonnet on because it's getting late. Your girl is tired. And I'm gonna end this video. Alright, y'all, so that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also, go ahead and leave me a comment inside the comment section because you know I love chit chatting with y'all. So let's go ahead and get these conversations going and flowing, okay? Period. So also, if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.